Welcome back to the show. You are watching Pree Dis, and of course, we're here at the Constant Spring Football Field for Daniel Sturridge Family Fun Day. It's all about football, it's all about family, it's all about food, it's all about vibe. But right now on Pree Dis, it's all about an upcoming artist because it's talent on the rise. And this week, we're bringing a Jamaican rap artist from out of New York. He goes by the name of Chris Matic. I don't know, my brother that in a Matic. Right now, Pree Dis.
Girl, I'd rather be with you, going out with all my friends. Cause I can't sleep without you, can't be without you, me without you, that's detrimental to my health. I love you way more than my wealth. Girlfriend, listen, love you.
Tell me, how you get the name Matic, Chris Matic?
Well, you know, in transition, growing up as a kid, I was moving around a lot, and at this point in time I was in Portmore, Garvey Mead, DJing, working on my craft and everything, and because of my height and everything, and I spit really fast, flow lyrical at a fast rate. So the youth I shot like a Matic, so the name just grew up on and then originally my name is Chris, so Chris Matic, simple thing.
I'd rather spend time with you than all this money by myself. If I can't be with you, then I'd rather be by myself.
Matic, describe your style of music to me.
Well, my style of music is more of like a fusion, like a melting pot of different genres, different sounds. You know, it's not specifically one genre, so to speak. I don't like to box myself in. So I branch off and I borrow from reggae, I borrow from jazz, I borrow from hip-hop. You know, by the end of the day, it's music, you know, so you might hear a little jazz in there, a little hip-hop type of vibe in there, a little reggae roots, you know. So that's creation in general.
My money made when I rise and got the fame. Tour the world, I'm getting paid, but I'm lonely on the planes. All the assets that I gain.
Tell me about the whole transition from pushing really your dancehall style and kind of curving and mastering your hip-hop style.
Well, I want to tell you, sir, from ever since, even when I was making dancehall music, it was highly influenced by hip-hop sounds, you know, but I was influenced directly because I was living here by dancehall artists. So it's more of a thing now where from ever since I take hip-hop rhythm and do some dancehall in it, but certain warrior them whom we used to record with, you know, big man in the thing, I must say your roots, you know, so then you find your roots and you find out who you are, and you don't stray from that. But I know living in America and, you know, living in a suburban area at times and commuting and stuff, to fully have an understanding of what my content and my story that it had to be shared. You know, I find hip-hop allow me to express myself in a more storytelling format. Sight and reggae give me more feeling in expression.
Going out with all my friends, cause I can't sleep without you, can't be without you, me without you, that's detrimental to my health. I love you way more than my wealth.
That was a talent on the rise. Look out for more from Chris Matic. Now, keeping the show rolling, we bring you our new video, and it comes from Shanhill. It's a song called Butterfly. Right here on this show, we only bring you what's hot. All right, now, we bring you a hot video every week. So, Pree Dis.
Have you ever been in love with someone who don't love you? Someone who takes advantage of your love? Boy, I can't ease the pain.
That was the video premiere of the week. You're watching Pree Dis. We're going for another commercial break. Don't forget, we're right here at Daniel Storage Family Fun Day. Keep it locked and we'll get back. We have a lot more.